Hello and welcome to Cooking with Tara. Today I'm going to show you how to make enchilada sauce. Okay, the next step is to get your 6 guajillo chilies. Take the stems off. I like to keep the seeds in. Some recipes show to take the seeds out, but my preference, I like to keep it in. So you can try either way. Okay, I toasted the chilies about 3 minutes on each side until dark. This is what they should look like. Okay, I put my toasted chilies in the blender, and then I'm going to add 6 cloves of garlic, raw, and 1 small yellow onion, just chopped into little pieces. You don't have to chop it all fine or anything like that. You're just going to blend it all anyways. And then you're going to do 1 cup of either beef, chicken, or vegetable broth. And we're going to puree. I'll stop it because it's going to be loud. Okay, now we have our skillet heated to medium-high, and we're going to add our 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil. Okay, now that we have our oil heated up, we're going to make our roux. We have a 1/4 cup flour. We're just going to whisk it together until it's nice and creamy. Okay, now we're going to add the chilies that we pureed earlier. And whisk together. And we're going to add a tablespoon of cumin. Excuse me. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix it all together. You can smell the garlic. It smells so good. Now that that's all mixed together, we're going to add 28 ounces of pureed diced tomatoes. You can use the canned or you can make your own. I made my own. And we're going to mix all that together, let it thicken. If you want it a little thinner, you can add a little water here and there. I like mine a little thick. And now you're just going to throw a little salt to taste. And that's it. Okay, this is a really good consistency. I'm just going to cover and simmer. I'm going to turn this down for about 10 minutes. And then I will see you in a bit. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 10 minutes, and I added a little bit of water, about a 1/3 cup of water, just to make it look a little bit more smooth. And I added a little bit more salt, and I just tasted it, and I think it needs a little bit more heat. So I'm going to add some chili flakes, or you can add cayenne if you'd like to taste. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the enchilada sauce. Stay tuned for my next recipe, beef enchiladas with my enchilada sauce.